Welcome to the demo of ConvoBots. Now, here's the dashboard, but before I go through and show you all the fantastic things included in the dashboard, I want to first show you a campaign that I just built. So here's an example of a conversational bot I built for a salon business. The page is clear with no distractions, and we exactly know what we need to do. First, we have two options, English and French, and we have to choose our language. Let's click on English for now. This takes us to the next conversation with two more options. Yes, tell me more, and no, thank you. Let's select yes, tell me more here. In a similar way, you can lead your viewers by the hand to exactly where you want them to go. It's like making the visitors feel in control, but still lead them wherever you want them to go. So, when we choose yes, we go to this video and it asks us to choose our hairstyle from this video. Instead of just forcing a video on the visitor, here we let them decide if they want to watch the video. Next, there is an image and a rating scale in the conversation for engagement. Here comes the important part of the conversation, lead generation. As I am engaged in the conversation, the bot prompts me for my email address and redirects me to a page where I can actually pick a product or book the service. Let's go back to the top and choose French. It greets us with a welcome message and asks us for more of our details. Everything, including the option titles of the form, is in French. Interesting, right? This way you can reach prospects in their preferred language by giving them the choice and personalizing their experience. So, that's a perfect example of how this conversation creates a tailored experience based on the options we choose. We can also go back to English by clicking on the menu. We can use forms instead of normal email to collect multiple pieces of information, like first name, last name, phone number, etc. And yeah, did I miss out on the response-based giveaway? We can even entice with giveaways based on the response. This was the campaign I built. Interesting, isn't it? Let's head to the dashboard and see how we can set up a campaign just as I did. So here we're on the dashboard and we're going to set up a campaign. Let's click on the Create button, and this takes us to the template section. We can go ahead and select one template. We've got different templates like color templates, animated templates, image templates, and video templates. Let's choose this template and click Select to use that template. Next, Stop is entering my conversation screen. So, to begin, learn how I triple my income with this new strategy. That's going to be our first piece of conversation. We're going to add a button right here, and it's going to be yes, I want to know more. We can see it creates the button right in front of their eyes. Easy to use, really intuitive, and eye-catchy. We can check the Add to Header menu option to make it easy for your viewers to go to that option. This makes this section go right on top, and then the users can click it anytime to get redirected to that section. We can also add testimonials and ratings for feedback. All the elements will be under the plus button on the right-hand side. Now, we're going to go ahead over here and create our next button because we want to give multiple options. This one is going to be no thanks. Okay, now here are the buttons are set up. We're going to now go to enter the next piece of conversation here, which is watch the video I made especially for you. And then we're going to insert a video. This is where we're going to just insert the embed code for our YouTube video. It pulls it directly from YouTube just like that. Now we're going to say, do you want to know more? Then enter your email address here. Come over here to Conversations, and then we're going to select Email ID, allowing them to enter and save it. We can also have a form here and collect crucial data about the visitor. At the bottom of the form, we can see an autoresponder button. We can choose a specific list to move our leads to that list. And so that shows how easy it is to set up a campaign. We have our logo right here at the top where it says company name on the left. On the right-hand side of the editor, we have a separate dashboard to customize the bot. Let's head to the settings first. We have 3 options under General. Scroll on top gives a small button to the user to go to the top of the screen. Then we have Reset Chat and Track Revisitors. Track Revisitors will allow visitors either to continue from where they left or start fresh. We can have terms and conditions and privacy policy on your footer. Language settings allow us to change predefined text to the language of your choice. Then we've got design settings. We can change our logo, bot image, background color, and also the font style here. Let's change the background image and the button color. We can have gradients, images, or even videos to set as background. We can also change the color of the header. Looks fantastic, doesn't it? We can straight away preview or publish our bot from the editor itself. Let's come back over here to the dashboard and we can see the new campaign that we just set on the left-hand side. Clicking Actions will give us options to edit, clone, and delete. Let's click the campaign and see what we can do. We see the statistics where we will have all the respondents' details. We will have all the autoresponders, Facebook, meta tags, retargeting codes sections here. All these settings are specific to a particular campaign. Clicking on links will show multiple options to publish the bot. So this is about our dashboard. Okay, let's go to integrations and we can see all the fantastic integrations we have with ConvoBots, and with a click of a button, we can connect our autoresponder and start collecting leads inside. Really fantastic there. And that shows us just how easy ConvoBots really is to use. Super simple, easy to use it, easy to go through, easy to set up your campaigns in a really great way to have engagement that's different from anything we've ever seen, getting that pattern interrupted, so we're doing something different from everybody else. In the process, we can easily build our list and get more sales. We have a detailed training inside the members area to help the users set up their conversational campaigns. We'll see you on the inside, and thank you so much for watching this demo.